We are playing one arm cook. Yeah, single player. Thank you very much. I'm playing myself. Normal, yes, I want to know how to play. We'll never play it before. Well, we'll put this map, that's alright. So, medium, there's a map. Oh, I've got a map. Benny Burger Bar. Ready fried chicken. We do single as long as we get there. Yeah, that could be good. All the way to icon shop. Let's do Benny Burgers Bar with hard mode. Game length. Mediums, longs, yeah, whatever. It's gonna be there forever. Earn $125. Okay. Am I waiting for someone? Which is coming up right now. Hi, what do you want to order? Ready to order. So, how I know the order? Oh, it's up here. Bacon cheeseburger. So we got bacon cheeseburger. Where is the beef? Where's the beef? Oh, there. Okay. So that there. That there. So we need a bun. And put it there. So wait when the beef cooks. Nice. And oh my god, can I just like it? That's a good idea, isn't it? Alright, that's going over. No, oh my god, I don't even care. I'm just as scary as possible. Oh my god. Oh, yo, can I jump on it? Can I jump it? Jump. Come on. Alright, that cooks. That's just 1 second. I'm very sorry, I'm actually just like a slave because I'm doing one arm, not 2 arms. Yeah, I know. A bit awkward, isn't it? Like, oh, I need to cut the bun. That's what you need for. They're very awkward. Oh. Oh, okay. Why just... Oh my god, you're getting more worse than this. Oh my god. Hold on. Oh, I need a bacon cheeseburger, is that? Oh. We need cheese. Cheese, bacon burger, yeah. Oh, we need cheese. Cheese. Oh my god. Give me the knife. Thank you guys. Don't know why. I should be clear it from my hand. Anyway. This is what you ordered, okay? Hold on. Get out of my way. Bacon cheeseburgers. Bacon cheeseburgers. This is not what I order. I don't even care. Hamburger. Where's ham? Don't see ham. This is getting worse now. Get spray. Why is it near the fridge? Fridge is gonna cool it down. Why is it different? Don't know why. I've been a firefighter. It just says down below. I've been a firefighter. Alright, them two definitely going away. I need another worker. Sorry, your order's too slow. Okay. And don't know how to cook. Oh, that's the door. How much to crack? Oh. But we need ham. Where is the ham? Oh, we just put it in here. Well, that means... Put it in there. Hello? Is that how you cook? I don't even know. I hope it's not set on fire. Cook. Burn the cooks. Right. Apparently, no way. This is how you cook, guys. I don't know how to cook. Why? Why? Where's the ham? Undo the order a ham. I don't have hamburger. I'm not available to have ham. Ew. Bacon cheeseburger. So we're gonna do cheeseburger. That's as simple as that. Right. Can we just set up this on now? Bacon cheeseburger. Oh, it's burned. Oh my god. It's burned. Don't mind me. I'm just set on fire. That's on toast. Don't you want to burn this one? Oh my god. This is so hard. I thought it's gonna be easy for one hand, but I don't think so. I didn't say that during the first video, didn't I? I don't know. No. Alright, let's get away. Alright. That's a bottom bun. Bottom bun. Bottom. Thank you. Alright, get that on there. Alright. Whoa. Just put that there. That there. You ready for a cheeseburger? Hang on. I'm doing a cheeseburger. Does anyone want a cheeseburger? Cheeseburger. Is that what it looks like? You really tasty. That's fine. That's fine. I can't do that order. I'm gonna smash your head. There you go. Like that. Yeah. What's up, D? Let order. Hello. Smash your face. Cheeseburger, bacon burger, hamburger. I don't have a hamburger. I'm very sorry. Cheeseburger and bacon. Anyway, I don't think we have hamburger. Whatever. Alright, I'm going to take any order. Alright, I'm very sorry. I'm going to do order. Hang on. Let me put a plate there. Put a bun in here. I don't want to set on fire. So I will put two bun and that bun there. This is slow cooked. There we go. So that cooks. Right, can we just get a knife? Can we just knife? Okay, right. Well, we just chop. There we go. Are you kidding me? Alright, put that in there. I don't know how to cook, guys. Don't tell me what to do. Oh my god, I just told a lot of people. It's gonna be take ages.
Wow.
Hey. Anyway, we set on kitchen on fire. I don't know how that work. Yeah. Smash the like button if you want to see more episodes. I don't know I'm going to play this game actually. We're going to play other game. Smash comment if you're new here and click on notification bell to see more videos. So see you then. See you tomorrow everybody. Or next day. Whatever. See you then. Peace out.